Good morning, dear children. Today let's begin with our fourth unit, part 1, that is Krishna and Sudama. So, who is Krishna and Sudama? Krishna and Sudama are the two characters in the story of Mahabharata. Okay, let's begin with the chapter. As a young boys, Krishna and Sudama were students in Sandipani's ashram. So, they were two friends. They are Krishna and Sudama. They were studying in Sandipani's ashram. For example, you are the students of Shamsul Ulama Primary School. Right, children? Same like here, Krishna and Sudama were the students in Sandipani's ashram. The Guru said, Sudama, you are saying the shlokas so well. The teacher teaches a shloka. Shloka means prayer or mantra. To the two students, here the Sudama tells the shloka very well. So the Guru appreciates the Sudama for telling the shloka very well. Same like when you score good marks in the exam or when you answer any question correctly, the teacher appreciates you, right? Many years passed. Sudama remained a poor man. Krishna became the Lord of Dwarka. After many years, when they grown up, Sudama remained a poor man, whereas Krishna became the Lord of Dwarka, King of Dwarka. He became the King of Dwarka. Once Sudama's wife begged him to go to Dwarka and ask his friend to help him. Alright, but I can't ask him for anything. One day, Sudama's wife requested Sudama to go to Dwarka and ask help from his friend. So here, for the wife's request, Sudama replies that, okay fine, I will go to Dwarka, but I will not ask anything from Krishna. So here he refuses to ask help from Krishna. Sudama set out on his journey to Dwarka, carrying a small gift for his friend. The gift was poha, which Krishna used to love. Sudama planned his journey to Dwarka. He carries a small gift for his friend. So, when you visit your friends or the relatives, you will carry a gift for them, right? Same like here, what the Sudama carries, he carries a puha for Krishna. Krishna likes puha very much, so he carries a puha as a gift. In Dwarka, Sudama met his friend Krishna. Come, dear friend, I have told my wife Rukmini all about you. Sudama also was happy to see his dear childhood friend. So Sudama reaches Dwarka and meets his friend Krishna. Krishna greets his friend Sudama by telling that, welcome dear friend, I have told everything about you to my wife Rukmini. Here Sudama was also very happy to see his dear friend. Krishna saw that his friend had bought him a gift. What is this? He asked. Sudama replied, you have everything. This is some puha that my wife made for you. Here Krishna will see that his friend Sudama had bought him a gift. He had bought something for Krishna. So he asks Sudama that, what is this dear friend? So Sudama replies, you have everything. This is some of puha which was prepared by my wife. Krishna was so happy that his friend had remembered his favorite puha. He began to eat, but Rukmini stopped. She said, don't finish everything. Leave some for us. Krishna and Sudama sat for a while and remembered their younger days. So by seeing that puha, Krishna was very happy that his friend Sudama still remembers that puha was his favorite dish. So Krishna began to eat. He was very happy and he began to eat, but his wife Rukmini stops him and she tells that, don't finish all the puhas. Leave some of them for us also. So they sat together and remembered their childhood memories. Sudama stayed with his friend for a few days. He was ready to start back home. Don't forget us, Sudama, said Krishna. Sudama left without asking Krishna for his help. He felt he was lucky to have a friend like Krishna. For a few days, Sudama stayed with Krishna. They spent few days together. Then Sudama went back to his home. While returning back, Krishna says that, "Don't forget us, Sudama." Sudama went back without asking help from Krishna, and he thinks that he was lucky to have a friend like Krishna. So he went back without asking any help. Sudama reaches home after a long journey. He had a surprise. His small home was now a palace. His wife and children rushed out to greet him joyfully. What happens? When he reaches home, he was surprised to see his home. That his small home was now a big palace. Initially, it was a small house, but when he returned from Dwarka, it was transferred into big palace. Okay, so his wife and children comes out and greets him happily. So they were happy that it was a small home initially, but after when he returned back from Dwarka, it was a big palace. All this is because of your friend. Thanks to Lord Krishna, said Sudama's wife. Sudama's wife tells that this is all because of your friend Krishna. Thanks to Lord Krishna.